All right, Grandma. So you had told me before the book came out that you wanted to buy the first copy.
Yes.
This is officially the first copy. It's the only copy I have.
It is
Why'd you want to buy the first copy?
symbolic.
Yeah. So I would not have made you, for lots of reasons, pay for this book, but you are insistent.
Yes, I am.
All right. Well, so it's like $19.99. And I don't have any pennies, Grandma, so
And
it's 20.
worth everything.
Yeah?
Worth every penny.
You haven't even read it yet.
I know you. Yeah. I'm proud of you, honey.
I appreciate that. I would also like you to read this. Dedication.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Thank you.
So you did not, it is dedicated to my grandma and my other grandma.
Lillian and me.
Yeah.
That's great.
Which she didn't even know when she agreed to buy the first copies. But that's it.
Well, I must have some insight or something.
You make multiple appearances in this book, Grandma. You're mentioned many times. So I hope you like it.
I'm sure I will, honey. I'm sure I will. Isn't this great? Aren't you so proud, Debbie?
I'm so very proud. I'm busting over here trying to keep this camera still.